So hello guys, my name is Athar Vishwas Gupta, and in today's video I would be showing you how to make a program which would find the square root of a number in Microsoft Small Basic. So this can as usual be done by text window dot title, and if you don't know why, you'll need to watch my previous videos on Small Basic. So if you are watching my video on Small Basic the first time, do visit the links that are put in the description below. So now coming back to the point, I'll assign the title as square root finder. So now let's ask for an input by text window dot write, and now we have got the input, but text window needs to read and process that input and also give that output. So first of all, let's see how the text window reads the input, and that can be done by first of all assigning a variable and then giving the statement text window dot read number. And now we have text window has read the number, so now it has to calculate the square root, and to make things easier I will assign another variable, that is mathsqr, and the function to find the square root is math dot square root, and in this bracket I will put the variable or number of which the square root has to be calculated. Yeah, now it has calculated the square root, but text window doesn't know how does it give us the output. So now I'll put the text window dot write line statement, and in every video and every program I ended the program by an endif statement, but in this video I would be showing you a new method. So first of all, the square root, the square, so till here it must be same, but now where is the plus num1 sign, where is that gone? So this is where the difference and catch is, and here usually I would have put an indif, but I would again put a text window statement, text window dot write statement. Here I'll put a write line, and in this bracket I would not put any quotation marks and all, and instead I would just put mathsqr, and as I had put right over here, the cursor is still in the same line, and now instead of putting that plus mathsqr and then again putting these quotation marks and also putting the if then statement, I'll avoid that and look for a shorter way, and here there is no need to put an endif. So let's see if my technique works. My technique is working. So let us take any number 9. So we all know that the square root of 9 is 3. Let's see if this works. Our program is working. So thanks for watching my video, and if you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.